Optik Melawai.
WHO is working with countries to respond to cases of hantavirus infection that have been identified on a cruise ship in the Atlantic Ocean. As of the 4th of May, there have been 6 suspected cases reported. 3 cases have unfortunately died. 1 patient is currently ill in ICU in South Africa, while 2 patients remain on board and will be evacuated for medical treatment. About 150 people, including passengers and crew, are on the ship. WHO, together with authorities in Cabo Verde and the Netherlands, and the ship's operators, are working to evacuate the 2 sick people on board to the Netherlands for medical care. At the present time, there are no other symptomatic people on the ship, but this is being carefully monitored. The ship is currently stationed off the coast of Cabo Verde. Passengers are being asked to stay in their cabins and limit their risk while disinfection and other measures are being taken. Medical teams from Cabo Verde have been supporting the ship's passengers and crew. WHO has been working with countries who are cooperating to advise on the next steps for the ship. There has been excellent cooperation from all those involved. Our priority is to keep the passengers and the crew safe and healthy while limiting the spread of this virus. Right now, our focus is on treating the patients and keeping the remaining passengers and crew safe. At the same time, we are working with authorities to understand the source of exposure through epidemiological investigations and doing contact tracing to identify any further cases. Laboratory tests are also ongoing. We are working with countries involved and the ship's operators to coordinate these medical evacuations, to provide health guidance to the ship operators, and to carry out risk assessments to guide next steps. WHO has immediately released funds from its contingency fund for emergencies to support these efforts. Based on current information and what we know about the virus from previous outbreaks, the overall risk to the public is low. Hantaviruses are a group of viruses carried by rodents that can cause severe disease in humans. Infection with hantaviruses is found in many parts of the world. Thousands of infections are estimated to occur each year. People usually get infected through contact with infected rodents or their urine, their droppings, or their saliva. Spread between people is uncommon, but limited spread has been reported among close contact in some previous outbreaks.
Saudara, kecepatan informasi dan akurasi data adalah komitmen kami. Satu langkah lebih dekat, satu langkah lebih terpercaya. Saksikan Sapa Indonesia Malam di Kompas TV Channel 11 di televisi